Tapping meditation to release I'm not enough and calming my nervous system, which is bracing for trouble. Before we start tapping, take a slow breath. If your body feels tight, if your mind feels busy, if you feel overwhelmed, give it a number from 0 to 10. 0 being I'm okay, and 10 as being that fearful, overwhelmed you. And that's okay too. Your nervous system may have learned to brace for life. And bracing is not weakness. Bracing is something the body learns when it has had to protect itself and keep itself safe. And today we are simply giving the body permission to reduce that tension, to soften. We're not forcing it. The tapping will help release the attachments to it. We are just allowing. Starting on the side of the hand on the karate chop. Tap gently on the side of the hand. Repeat after me. Even though part of me feels like I'm not enough, and my body still braces for problems, I choose to love and trust in myself. Even though my subconscious is braced for criticism and rejection, or something might go wrong, I honour and choose to love and approve of myself. Even though I sometimes feel overwhelmed or like I'm waiting for something bad to happen, I am open to the possibility that my body is open for change. Eyebrow point. Sometimes my body is still braced, like it's waiting for something to go wrong. Side of eye. My nervous system learned this a long time ago. When I was very young, when my life felt unsafe and uncertain. Under the eye. My body learned to scan for problems, to try and stay ahead of danger. Under the nose. Sometimes that pattern still runs today, even though I'm feeling safe. Chin. My stomach might tighten. My heart might drop. My mind might go straight to what have I done? What have I done wrong? Collarbone. This is my nervous system. It's trying to protect me. It can make me feel heavy and my life overwhelming. Under the arm. And it can make me doubt myself. Or feel like I'm not enough. Top of the head. But these feelings didn't start with me not being enough. They started with my body trying to survive. Take a breath, feeling that energy, and remember to breathe as we go around. As we're trying to understand where the pattern came from. On the eyebrow, my nervous system learned to brace for trouble. Side of eye. It learned to expect criticism or danger. Under the eye. So it prepared me for the worst. Under the nose. Even when the worst wasn't there, it wasn't happening. I still struggled with life. And it blocked my confidence. Collarbone. It can make me second guess myself. And doubt in my ability. Under the arm. I also assumed that people could see that something was wrong with me. Top of the head. But this is a pattern, not a truth. It might be a belief about who I am, but I'm releasing that now. Take a breath. Eyebrows. What if my nervous system could learn something new? Side of eye. What if I could learn that I am safe right now? Under the eye. I don't have to brace all the time. Under the nose. That I can be safe in every breath. Chin. That I can return to myself. Collarbone. I am confident it is not something I have to force. Under the arm. My confidence grows when my body feels safe. Top of the head. I am learning to create safety. I am learning to create peace. Take a slow breath in. Notice your body. Has the energy reduced? You might feel lighter. You might have noticed it's risen. But keep tapping and breathing and simply relax your body and you will feel more space inside. And that's enough. Changes come through small steps and feeling safe to experience life. Every time you breathe, every time you tap, every time you choose compassion and love instead of fear and criticism, you're teaching your body something new. You are powerful. And you don't have to brace for life anymore. You can return to yourself. And that is the beginning of being resilient. You're safe. Let's continue to tapping on the collarbone. You're safe. Feel that you're supported. Feel that you're strong and resilient from within. That your body is centered, whole, and complete in every way. because you are an amazing, beautiful human. You're an amazing person, and we all deserve, with hugs and love, to live the life we want to lead, to be the person that we want to be, to have the strength and resilience to do the things we want to do. And the tapping helps reduce our anxieties, and the breathing helps clear that energy, and the body starts learning to trust that you're in control. The body and the mind start to believe that maybe this can work. So the more we keep doing it and keep going, we are learning so much more about ourselves, and we're clearing all the anxieties and stresses as we relax our shoulders and feel into that love and knowing that we are safe and we are so supported. You have got this. You deserve to have the best life as a magnificent child of the universe. You're amazing. Keep going and love yourself fully, freely, always and forever.